Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Brina. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these beachy waves, so if you would like to see how I achieve them, keep on watching. I'm going to be using a 32mm barrel wand, and I'm going to set this to 270 degrees, and then as with any heat style, start by prepping my hair with a heat protectant, and this is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And now I'm just going to brush through this to make sure the heat protectant gets every strand of hair and to make sure I have no knots. Now I'm going to section my hair off so I can start at the bottom. Taking about 1-inch sections, I'm going to twist the hair around the barrel, keeping the ends of the hair out of the curl. And I'm going to rotate directions that I am curling the hair. Moving on to the next section, and I'm just going to be repeating the same steps that I did on the bottom layer throughout the rest of the hair. Another thing, I always make sure to keep the barrel pointed down. I just find that it helps keep the curl looking more seamless and natural, I guess. I also like to make sure to leave the curls set how they are when they come off of the barrel until I'm completely done. That way they have a time to cool down, and that'll help them last longer rather than breaking them up as soon as they come off the wand and are still really hot. That'll just cause the curl to fall out faster. The curls finish cooling, I'm going to spray them with some hairspray, and I'm using the Aussie Sponge Flexible Hold Hairspray. And now that I have the hairspray in, I'm just going to gently use my fingers to break up the curls without messing up the curl too much that it completely loses its form, but enough that they look messy and like you didn't try, because that is the vibe with beach waves. And then if you have any pieces that need some touching up, now is the time to do so. And that is it for this hairstyle. So let me know in the comments what you think of it. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this hairstyle and you like this video. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!